Hi guys. Today I'm excited to be demonstrating how you can use PowerShell GPT to add internet search and speech-to-speech capabilities to LMStudio's local models. I'm running LMStudio remotely because my system is way too slow. Using massed compute, the response times are as fast as ChatGPT. I'm using Meta's 3.1 8 billion parameter model, and when I prompt it, the response is immediate. I'll link a video in the description that shows you how to deploy a remote instance of LMStudio. When the response is received, PowerShell GPT forwards it to LazyPi's text-to-speech engine, which, when it's ready, will vocalize the text.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
Okay, let's get it to do a search. Computer? What's the latest news on Donald Trump? The editable system prompt for LMStudio tells the model that if asked for information that it doesn't have, it can output a Google search URL to get the info. PowerShell GPT detects this, opens the browser and sends the page contents back to the model with a prompt to summarize the text.
I'll look online now. As of my last update, Donald Trump is an American politician who served as the 45th President of the United States from 2017 to 2021. He has been involved in various controversies and legal issues since leaving office. Would you like me to provide more details?
That's what it had to say before conducting the search.
I found this on the internet. Donald Trump is in the news for his recent deployment of National Guard troops to Los Angeles, which has sparked controversy and protests. California Governor Newsom has compared Trump's actions to those of a dictator. Trump has also been involved in various other issues, including trade agreements and criminal cases.
There you go, guys. With PowerShell GPT, you can give your LMStudio models internet search and speech-to-speech capabilities. Download the app from PowerShellGPT.com. Until the next time, have fun, stay safe.